It's a great day for hockey cards, and today, a little bit of a special treat. I'm going to go back in time a little bit to 2003 Pacific Private Stock Titanium. So, what's so special about this box is that in every pack, you're going to get a serial numbered game worn jersey or patch card. So, every single pack, you're going to get one. The odds. There are the odds on the side there. Pacific cards generally aren't my favorite ones to open, but I thought this was a unique enough product that I'd pick it up. Found it for a pretty good price on eBay. And we're going to jump right into it and take a look back at this set that is almost 2 decades old at this point. So the packs are pretty thick, obviously, because there is a jersey card in every single pack. So the first card on the pack is a Pacific Complete. So this is something they used to do with their cards where in every set they would have Pacific Complete was a different set, and it was an insert in every product. Basically, every product they made, you would get a pack. So, like a really tough set to complete because it's in every single product they make. But we got a Ville Nieminen there, and a Todd Harvey. And what is this? We can enter the Calder Collection rookie set offer. I don't think we're getting that. And now we're actually into the titanium cards. We've got Jordan Leopold, so that's a rookie card. Richard Zednik. Oh, wow. There's our first jersey card. There's the back of those. So this design actually isn't too bad. And here we got Patrick Lalime with a patch card. Jersey patch. Really nice. Numbered 71 of 258. Don't know where the 258 came from, but 3-color patch. That's a nice way to start. So Michael Pekka, Michael Nylander, and Teemu Selanne. So we got 2 complete in that. 2 Pacific Completes in there. I wonder if that's the way it is with all of these. Or if that was just a mispull. Actually, there's the odds. And yep, Pacific Complete. We're actually going to get 2 per pack. So there's Jason Arnott, Mikhail Samuelsson. There we can mail away for our rookie set. Right on target, Jay Bouwmeester. There's Marian Gaborik. And here we have a Darcy Tucker jersey patch there, jersey swatch for the Maple Leafs. Numbered to 1260, so that one's a little high numbered there. Thomas Vokoun, Todd Bertuzzi, and Brent Johnson. So once again, this is the kind of stuff that nobody really makes anything like this anymore, where you're going to get multiple packs, jersey or patch cards, in every single pack. I think it's neat. Wow. Pear Svarte. Oof. If you know how to pronounce that one, good on you. PJ Stock. I do not. So I'm guessing these are red parallels because they have the different foil color. There's Tom Poti. Are they numbered? They are. So they're out of 299. Patrick Lalime. And there's a 2-color of Bobby Lou, Roberto Luongo. So that's super nice. There's a Hall of Famer there. 312 out of 1403. Brian Rolston, Steve Yzerman, and Jeremy Roenick. Surprisingly, too, none of these are sticking or anything for a product this old. Kind of expect some of the cards to stick together. There's Brent Johnson, Byron Defoe. We've got a Shadows, Joe Thornton. Got Youngie looks there, no beard. There's Danny Heatley. And there's our jersey, which is Dan Cloutier, the Vancouver Canucks. And that is numbered to 867, so really weird numbering scheme they got. Chris Gratton. There's Christian Huselius. And there's Kofi. Stack off cameras. Almost fallen over. Looks like we got a couple packs left here. There's Super Mario. Thomas Vokoun. We've got Joe Sakic, Saturday Nights. It's a weird insert title, but okay. Steve Shields. And we've got Ilya Kovalchuk. Game worn, the Thrashers. And that's numbered to only 606. Rod Brindamore. I think that's a second-year card for him. Ziggy Palffy and Patty Marleau. Oh, the other thing I just noticed is, this is a neat little detail, is that the packs aren't all the same. They have different players on them. It's another thing you don't see anybody doing anymore. And we've completely shredded that one. Tyler Wright. Dmitry Kalinin. There's Bobby Lou. Scott Gomez. And Chicken Parm, Ray Ferraro. For the Blues. A non-Blues jersey there. That's not Ray Ferraro. That's Daniel Alfredson. He was stuck. That's a 1288, so it even explains it. Ferraro wore this Atlanta Road sweater for his trade to St. Louis, so that's why it's that burnt red color. Jeff Sanderson, and there's Alex McGillney. There's Wade Redden, Jamie McLennan, Paul Correa, Pavel Bure, and we've got Big E, Eric Lindros. Game-worn jersey for the Rangers, and that one is numbered to 583. There's Paul Correa's not red parallel. Sergei Fedorov and Marcus Naslund. Final pack. Brad Richards. Josef Vasicek. Sorry about the names. Here's a right on target. Stanislav Chistov. There's Chris Drury. And we've got a Frederick Modine. Numbered to 1260. Game-worn jersey. Theo Fleury. Andrew Castles, and Martin St. Louis. So there you have it. I think it's a pretty cool box. You get 8 jersey or patch cards in there. That box didn't disappoint. Anyway, that's it. That is 2003 Pacific Private Stock Titanium. What a title. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.